1. Our Earth. I'm Neeraj. I go to a small village school to study. I always had questions about the earth in my mind. So, I requested my teacher to tell me something about it. This is what she told me. The earth is a planet. A planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the sun. The earth is the only planet that has life. The sun shines on the earth to give heat and light. The earth contains water that is very important for all living beings. A larger portion of the earth is covered by water than by land. Hence, sometimes the earth is also called the blue planet. It has air all around it that helps us to breathe. This layer of air is called atmosphere. We breathe in air, eat plants and animals, drink water and stay warm. All living beings get food, water and air from the earth. Neeraj asked, "We all have a family. Does the earth also have a family?" Miss Soni replied, "Yes, the earth has a family too. It has 7 planets in its family. Together they make 8 planets. The sun is a star and the head of this family. The sun and the 8 planets form the solar system." Shape of the earth. The next day, Neeraj went to the library and read a book on earth. In the book, he read that hundreds of years ago, people feared to travel long distances. He could not understand why, and so he asked Miss Soni. Miss Soni answered, "This is an interesting question. Long ago, the human world thought that the earth was flat like a square with edges. They even feared that if they traveled too far off lands, then chances were that they would fall off. But then we had some learned men like Aristotle and Copernicus, who said that the earth was not flat at all, but was like a ball without any edges. Around 500 years ago," continued Miss Soni, "Ferdinand Magellan went on a cruise. He started from Spain and sailed in the same direction for 3 years. He sailed west and reached the same point from where he had started. This proved that the earth was not flat, but round." Neeraj looked far ahead and asked, "Miss, when I stand on my terrace, at times I feel that far away the sky bends to meet the land. My mother tells me it is not so, but it looks like a magical hug from a height." Yes, it does look like the sky and the earth meet at a point when you look at it from any height. But understand the difference. They seem to meet, but in reality they don't meet. Horizon is the place where the land or the sea seem to meet the sky. But Neeraj, the land and the sea meet in reality. The place where they meet is called the coast, replied Miss Soni.
The bell rang and it was time to go back home. Neeraj thanked his teacher and walked towards his home with a mind full of useful information.